How to find language settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click destroy lines in top corner, and now click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find push notifications, not push notifications, this one here, language. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage language notifications. Just manage anything you want here and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.